Welcome to the daily message. I'm Barb Furtick. I've been on staff at St. Nicholas for a long time, and I'm in charge of RCIA. That's the process by which we have people join the church or inquire about the Catholic faith. Our purpose is to help have people be able to follow Jesus more fully and faithfully. It's the way that we deal with this process of joining is to just enter into conversation. And conversations are more like dating, that you would notice that something that about the Catholic faith and that you might want to know more about, and you come and ask your questions, and then just like in a dating situation, you become more interested or not, and as you become more interested, you might decide you really want to join the church, and then that's fine. So that's our little process. But since it's a conversation and a falling in love process, it is not tests and it is not lectures. And the other thing that I think is unique is that we have a large team, and actually we believe that you catch the faith. And our team is full of wonderfully wholesome, healthy, spiritual people, wisdom figures in many cases, and they bring a certain excellence to the whole program. And we would like to invite you to reach out and invite people to think about joining the church or just to see. And you may come with them, but ask them to Father Bill's house on August the 28th. That's a Wednesday at 6:30, and come in the back door. But well, maybe if you called and told us that we could prepare the meal a little bit better, but it's just for a beer and brat dinner and to hear a little bit more. And in the next few days, people who have joined the church recently will be giving a message and telling you about the process and how their experience. And so I hope that you welcome them, and maybe we'll see you or your friend later on. Thank you very much for following the message.